got pillow talk.
No, I can't do these combinations.
Say! Pillow talking, yeah.
I'm flattered, man.
I look cool.
I'm Dan,
And I'm Mandy.
and we've got some pillow talk.
Pillow talk. My ideal man or woman must have
Important?
Important, yes.
Yes, very important.
fill in the blank.
And it can't be all the qualities that I possess.
We all communicate in this world. I mean, just by sitting here and looking at one another.
Me and this girl, we were having sex. Next thing I know, I'm on set of Contraception.
The 3D version.
Oh.
I didn't get it.
I've heard plenty of
Okay.
young gentlemen.
It's about the love between Leonardo DiCaprio.
Accidentally slip into one another's beds. Very interesting phrase. Very.
Herpes or chlamydia.
There's nothing wrong with picking up the 86-year-old cashier from Ralph's.
All of our bodies are so different.
Yeah.
You don't let me get on Facebook.
No.
Why can't I get on Facebook?
Nope, you're gonna get me in trouble again.
Talking in front of people makes me really nervous. Like right now, my underarms are sweating.
This is getting good.
Yeah, and then
Continue.
She's a great elf.
Play fates of them. This has been a very good day.
Let's go.